We have made it to Disney's Hilton Head. We are staying in room 1133. It's in the main building on the 3rd floor. We got a studio room and we thought we would give you guys a tour. You could definitely tell this is an older resort. So as soon as you walk in, you have the kitchenette. Ours is fully stocked now. And then
yeah, it's actually a nice entryway.
Yeah, it's the nice entryway. Nice like pictures, super fun. And then here you have a closet.
Already full
And unpacked. And then kind of the bummer thing about this bathroom is there's like no storage space for any of our stuff. So we have some stuff here and then a little bit of room in that cabinet, but a lot of stuff just had to go on top of the toilet. We have stuff up there. So that part's kind of a bummer, but other than that, you have a standard shower.
Like the fly fishing pictures.
Oh yeah. And then you have on this wall, opposite of the toilet, you have towels. And then some fly hook pictures. Just like very wildernessy, which is fun. You can definitely tell older. And then another thing, and there's Houston. Houston, say hi.
Hi.
Is you don't have a lot of place to put your things. So for a family of 3, we had 4 drawers.
We're pretty stocked.
So they're full, but we were able to make it work and then we used the closet. And then there's a door here, so I'm assuming this can connect to a 1-bedroom suite to make a 2-bedroom villa. That's typically what they do. This is where Housty will sleep. We'll set it out. They have charging things, which is nice.
Yeah, a little charging dock's pretty
Charging dock, which is nice. Our balcony though, and then a nice little table here.
good. Lots of games.
Yeah, the weather's supposed to be really bad while we're here. It said like 80 to 100% chance of rain. So we came stocked with our favorite Disney games and Skippo and golf and Disney Apples to Apples and cribbage and
Pretty much all the things we like playing.
yeah. One fun thing though is it did come with this book to look at. We have this book at home, but super fun, a super fun book. This One Day at Disney book. And then what I love is this balcony is huge.
For a studio, it's very big.
Yeah, for a studio, it's huge. So it has a table you can eat at, and then rocking chairs. Then it even goes like, even room back there. But
Yeah,
if I stand in a corner, and Davey's in the other corner, I mean, that gives you a good idea of how big the balcony is.
Like I said, for a studio.
Yeah, for a studio, this is super nice. And then we can kind of see the water, but I love all the trees.
Yeah, that's the only disappointing thing is that we can't see
I
the
wish
water.
we could see the water.
But outside of that,
But it's over there.
But we're
You
gonna
can
do a
kind of
nice
see it
walkway.
like right through there. There's the water.
Down below us, we're actually right above the main check-in area.
Yeah, so there's May River Seafood. And
Your
then,
little barbecue pit down there if you wanted.
oh yeah, if you want to barbecue, you can go down there and barbecue. Right there.
Nice seating area, outside area.
Yeah, cute little outdoor dining. But super fun. We haven't explored it all. We just literally checked in and put our stuff away. So we
That's all
haven't
we've done.
seen pool, the water, anything. We really want to rent. We really want to rent some bicycles. That was like our big thing coming down
We
here.
weren't sure because of the rain. If it's
Yeah,
gonna rain the
rain.
whole time, is it the old? Is it gonna be worth it? But if it's gonna
Yeah.
at least be decent, I'd like to do that. So we
Yeah.
can ride bicycles. If
We
we
want
want
to
go.
ride
We
bikes
thought
to
that'd
the
be fun.
beach.
Yeah.
I didn't realize, one side, what I didn't realize is this hotel is not right on the ocean. So I thought it was, but from what it sounds like, it's just a quick,
I knew it wasn't.
oh, Davey knew it wasn't. I didn't. But it's just a quick bike ride away, which is super nice. So,
It's a decently quick walk or a bike ride, or they have.
or they said they have shuttles.
They have a shuttle service right outside.
Yeah.
The front. Yeah.
So I would love to do that. She said the sunsets are here at the property, and then sunrises are at the ocean. So if you just bike ride, walk, whatever, I don't even know how far it is. I'm assuming not too far if you can walk or bike ride. This is just a quick room tour. But so far super cute. You could tell it's older. A lot of just old charm to it.
Yeah.
So I'm super excited. We've never, since ever, the only state we've ever been to is Florida. We always vacation in Florida, and then we moved to Florida. On the East Coast, I mean, yeah. So it was fun to drive through Georgia and then drive through South Carolina. It was really pretty to drive through. So I'm just excited to see another part of the East Coast. So it'll be fun, a fun long weekend. But yeah, that's our room tour. A studio villa at the
Disney Hilton Head.
Disney Hilton Head. Okay. We'll see you guys on the next video. Bye, guys.